Hi everyone, and welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky Whitehead, and today we're going to talk about a crucial topic, the biggest mistakes people make after a DWI arrest in Texas. Getting arrested for a DWI is a stressful and often confusing experience, and how you handle yourself after the arrest can make a huge difference in the outcome of your case. There's one mistake in particular that I see far too often, and it can seriously hurt your chance of a favorable outcome in court. Let's dive into what that mistake is and how to avoid it. The biggest mistake, talking too much to the police. After a DWI arrest, people tend to panic, and they think that by explaining themselves or cooperating extensively with law enforcement, they can somehow talk their way out of the situation. But this is the biggest mistake you can make. Remember, the police are gathering evidence against you, and anything you say can and will be used against you in court. So let's break down why this is such a crucial mistake with the real-life scenario. Consider the case of John. John was pulled over one night in Houston after leaving a friend's party. The officer suspected that John had been drinking and asked him to perform a field sobriety test, which he failed. After being arrested and taken to the station, John, feeling scared and embarrassed, thought that if he explained his side of the story, the officer might go easy on him. He told the officer about how he had only a couple of drinks and was just trying to get home safely. What John did not realize is that by admitting the drinking, even if it was just a couple of drinks, he was handing the police a key piece of evidence that could be used against him in court. His statements made it much easier for the prosecution to argue that John was impaired while driving, leading to a conviction. John's mistake was talking too much, assuming that cooperating fully would help him. In reality, all it did was hurt his case. Had John kept quiet and contracted an attorney right away, his lawyer could have handled it all, the communication with law enforcement, and potentially built a much stronger defense. In Texas, like everywhere else in the US, you have the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. This is a critical right, and it should be exercised in any DWI arrest. The police are not your friends. In this situation, they're conducting an investigation, and every word you say, even something as simple as admitting only having 2 drinks, can be used to convict you. After the DWI arrest, your first priority should be to contact a criminal defense attorney who understands DWI law in Texas. An experienced lawyer will advise you on what to say, and more importantly, what not to say. They'll also investigate the circumstances of your arrest, including whether the officer had probable cause to pull you over and whether any mistakes were made during the field sobriety or breathalyzer test. If you are pulled over and arrested for a DWI, here are a few critical steps you should take to avoid making the biggest mistake. Remain calm and polite. Exercise your right to remain silent. Do not admit to drinking or try to explain the situation, and request an attorney immediately. Following these steps can significantly improve your chances of fighting the charges and protecting your rights in court. The biggest mistake you can make after a DWI arrest in Texas is talking too much to the police. While it might feel like you're helping yourself by being cooperative, you're actually giving law enforcement more ammunition to use against you. The best course of action is to remain silent and contact a criminal defense attorney as soon as possible. At the law office of Bryan Fagan, we have years of experience defending clients against DWI charges in Texas. If you or someone you know has been arrested for a DWI, don't wait. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experienced attorneys today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and give to our channel for more legal advice and insights. Thanks for watching and take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.